What up, guys? Welcome back. So today we're going to talk a little bit about home crypto mining. And for me, it's something I've been doing for a very long time, whether it's building a GPU rig and mining with graphics cards or buying little box miners from GoldShell that are efficient and, they make a few bucks a day here and there. Over time, it can be a very profitable thing. GoldShell, however, they are the ones that make both industrial size miners that are, they can get pretty pricey, or they have the box miners, which you can mine from home, a little portable ASIC miner that you are able to just mine from home. Very quiet, very efficient, don't use a lot of power. Well, the good news is GoldShell is taking it one step further for the home miner. They're listening to us and they are delivering right now. So if we go on GoldShell's website, so if we take a look at GoldShell's website, you can see here right away, as soon as you click on the website, goldshell.com, make sure you are on the correct website. Follow them on Twitter, GoldShell Lite, right there on the front page. Handshake Lite, CK Lite, two new Lite miners that they are offering, and I am sure there will be many more to follow. This will be a hybrid of what we get now between an industrial miner and the box miner. So if you are mining crypto from home, get excited because this is going to be much more profitable than the box miner. So if we take a look at the CK Lite, now the Handshake Lite is available to buy actually right now, and I'll show you that in a second. But the GoldShell CK Lite, 6.3 terahash, and it uses about 1,200 watts, give or take 5%. And that is actually pretty efficient. Now, I have the box miners for CKB mining, which I have 3 of them, and uses about 250 watts of power, and it does about 1 terahash. So this is basically 6 of those put together inside of a miner that we can mine from home. Now, the good thing is we are going to be able to use this miner on any plug that we have. It's not limited to 240 volt. You can use it on a 110. Your regular standard outlet inside of your house, you are going to be able to plug it right in. Now, if you want to use it on 240 and get a little more efficient with the electricity cost, you will probably be able to do that too. The CK Lite, dedicated to quiet mining, designed for home miners. Powerful hash rate with the advanced noise reduction function. Anywhere can be a mining site. This is just really good for all of us who like to mine crypto from home. So again, this is about 6 of the box miners put together to give us what we want. So you can see hash rate, the power, the dimensions. The noise level is 55 decibels of noise here compared to 35 on the box miner and 70 on the industrial. Sometimes 75, 80 on the industrial miners, depending on which one you get. Ethernet only, probably no Wi-Fi on here. But overall, look, I'm super excited about this. GoldShell is doing big things, especially for us. And of course, this is mining CKB on the Eagle Song algorithm. And you're going to be able to use it anywhere in your house. Now, 50 decibels, 55 decibels of noise, it's not as quiet as a box miner, which they are super quiet. 55, you might be able to hear a little bit. So keep it. You're still going to want to keep this in the spare room. At least that's what I think going forward. Now, if we take a look at, let's see what else they have up here. Or let's go back to the home page really quick. And we'll take a look at the Handshake miner. Now, I don't have any Handshake miners. It's not something I am very bullish on. But you can see here what this does. And I guess you can mine Sidecoin on this as well, which, okay, 2 for 1. I'm okay with that. You can mine different coins on that. So now I do believe we are going to get some other Lite miners, and we will see over time what they are going to deliver. So on the box here, CK Lite, HS Lite, that's all they offer so far. They're professional and industrial miners. The KD6, I like what they did with their website. This is new. This is a recent upgrade to their website, and I like it. I think it's a lot cleaner, a lot more professional, and I like what GoldShell is doing. So the KD6, that's a new miner. The CK6, a new miner. The LT6, mining Litecoin, a new miner. The KD5, still very powerful, very profitable miner. The CK5, I do have the CK5 mining as we speak. And then some of the older, the Handshake miner, the Litecoin, the LT5 Pro, and the LT5, which I haven't seen any of those around in a very long time. And then here we have the box series. Again, A lot of these boxes are very efficient. So if you are into crypto mining and you want to mine crypto from home, check out some of these box series. And these do sell out really quick. So you're going to want to follow them on Twitter, turn on the bell for notifications, and sign up for their newsletter. So you will be, they will let you know when they have a drop, and you better be prepared to, have crypto ready. You have to buy this stuff with cryptocurrency and be prepared. Now, if we go into shop, we can see here the price of the Handshake Lite. So $3,299. And I'm wondering, you need a password. So if you want to get the password, go on Twitter and take a look at that. So, and this won't be like the box miners where you need to buy a power supply. The power supply will be on here, and it's not something we are going to have to worry about. So look, GoldShell doing big things for the home mining community, and I am all for it. I will be trying to get my hands on a CK Lite miner once that is released, and I'm expecting that to be around the same price, $3,500, $3,600, $3,700. But that's it, guys. Quick video talking about GoldShell and what they are doing. I'm excited for it. If you mine from home, get excited for it. I love it. That's it, guys. I'll be back soon. Hit that like button. A sub would be appreciated. Peace.